You hit send to print, and suddenly you are sweating. Did I embed the fonts? Did I set the bleed? Why does my image look like Minecraft? Welcome to Preflight and Packaging, where we stop those nightmares before they happen. Today, we'll turn you into the kind of designer printers actually invite back.
Preflight is your safety net. You should see Preflight on your left sidebar. If you don't see it, go to Window, Layout, and check Preflight. And all the errors, mistakes, and everything will show up here. It scans your document for problems: missing fonts, low-res images, unlinked resources, overset text, RGB images in CMYK files, all the usual suspects. If you see those red circles with X inside, that's bad. But the yellow triangles means something is wrong, but it's not catastrophic, but worth checking. Click each issue and the layout highlights the problem so you can fix it instantly. It's basically your document saying, please don't embarrass me at the printers. So let's click on something. Let's click on that one. No. Here. Problem here is that it's lorem ipsum, and Affinity thinks everything is in this text is wrong. But if you have a real text and it shows this word here, it's worth double checking it if you spelled it correctly. Let's walk through the big offenders. Missing fonts, embed or replace them. Low resolution images. Anything below 300 dpi screams pixel soup. RGB images. Convert to CMYK. How to do it? Go to Document, Setup, and Convert Format ICC Profile. Click on that. This window pops open, and right now everything is okay because I have set up my layout to printer. And check that your profile is correct. In my case it's for 39, and that's correct too. And if you have done your changes here, just click convert. Then overset text. Make your text frame bigger or edit your copy. When there's an overset text, you see this icon here, this eye that's striped out. So if you click on that, you see that we have more text here. So if you can just delete something, or if not, then you have to do another page and you can put your overset text on the other page. Now you see the eye is gone. Then unlinked resources. Relink missing images via the resource manager. And how to do it? Simple. Go to Document and Resource Manager. Click on it. This window pops open, and here you can see all your images, for example, or text. If you have placed it in, I have copied it in, so there's no text here, but images we have one. And right now it's 760 dpi. It's a little bit too much. You see the file size is 5.61 megabytes. It depends on your print house. Sometimes it's okay, sometimes they will nag about it. But if you need to change it, click on it and replace, and change it to right, and change it to your right picture. Now it's much smaller. Now let's check what our Preflight says. Let's go our Preflight. Let's ignore all the spelling mistakes. And here it still says overflowing text frame because it haven't refreshed it. So if you have done your changes, click check now. Oh, sorry, live and check now. And now you see the picture problem is fixed and your overset text problem is fixed. Let's open our resource manager one more time. Document, resource manager, and this panels lists every image in your project, location, resolution, and whatever it's linked or embedded. In our case, it's embedded. If you want it to be linked, here is a button, make linked, and now it's linked. Or if you need it embed, then just change linked to embed. Now the hero feature. Go to File, Save Package As, check that everything is okay here, Summary, Fonts, Images, and click OK. Now let's create a new folder. YouTube tutorial and create. This bundles your entire project, files, fonts, and linked images into one tidy folder. That's what you're sent to your print provider. Double check inside the folder and click package. Now let's open the folder and now double check inside the folder. You'll see the main file. We haven't named it, so untitled AF package. It seems okay. And here is one tip. Here we have embedded our picture. So let's go our document, resource manager, here placement embedded. We can make it linked. Close, yeah. Now let's go file, save as package, fonts, images, linked text. Seems okay. Let's create a new folder. Let's do test2, create package, and let's open our folder again, test2. And now if your images are linked inside your file, you should see images folder and your image here. Think of it as your project suitcase before a big trip, packaged, labeled, and ready for inspection. Printers are magical but not psychic. Always send a short note with your files. Include what size it should print, your color mode, whether the document includes bleed and crop marks, and any special requests, paper weight, finishing, folding, or whatever you need. Attach your printer-ready PDF and the package folder zipped. If possible, ask for digital proof before they run the full batch. The 5-minute check can save your hundreds of euros and your sanity.
Next time, we'll dive into interactive PDFs and digital publishing, bringing your layouts to life. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and remember, great print jobs don't happen by luck, they happen by prep.